The ZTE Nubia Redmagic 9 Pro is a formidable gaming smartphone equipped with cutting-edge features, powered by a robust combination of a Snapdragon chipset and Adreno 750 GPU. This device promises a seamless gaming experience. The substantial 8 to 16 gigs of RAM options ensure smooth multitasking, while the max 512 gigabytes of internal storage caters to your gaming and multimedia needs. On a triple camera setup, the main camera system is 50 megapixel and captures moments with clarity and precision. The 16 megapixel selfie camera, however, promises satisfactory results for your social media updates. This Titan boasts a 6500 mAh battery without frequent recharging. Although recharging it will not be a thing since you're getting an 80-watt adapter with this device. The 120Hz refresh rate, however, delivers smooth performance, but for a gaming phone these days should be the standard. With so many powerful features in the smartphone, it weighs only 229 grams, making it a very lightweight gaming device. In summary, the ZTE Nubia Redmagic 9 Pro appears to be promising, featuring a potent hardware configuration, ample storage, and a robust battery life.